this, but I don't know where I put this. Oh, gotta go. Good morning. So I am about to go get my nails filled in. I got my notebook because I have stuff to do. I'm gonna put no makeup on, slap the wig on, slap the hat on, because I'm gonna wear a mask. We are going to get some decorations so that I can decorate the house, like my kitchen, the bathrooms, redo my tree because my tree looking a little sick, so I need to do something about that. I got my notebook so that I can write down everything that I need. We are about to go to, look at my nails, y'all. Like, it looks crunchy. One thing about me, I like to do everything in the morning. I need to go get those cameras that go inside the car. I'm putting my seatbelt on before y'all be on here talking. You driving without a seatbelt? Yeah. And the seatbelt is on now. They texting. I guess I'm texting too. Like, we shopping today, and later on I'm going to like a party with some friends or people that I've never met before, and I'm excited. Yeah, so yeah, people not playing. People is definitely here and about to get their money. This is why I get to the nail salon early, y'all, because it's already 2 women outside waiting. That's why you better wake up. It's 8:44, and the nail salon don't open up until 9 o'clock a.m. So I'm about to be with them. That's why I got here. So I am done with getting my nails done. Now we about to go shopping. You did a really good job. I like my nails nice and natural. I don't be doing all the long nails and stuff like that because I don't know how to live. I don't know how to live like that. It's not that I don't like long nails. I just like short nails. Like, I do a lot with my hands. I do a lot with I just do a lot with my hands, and I don't really care for long nails like that. I just finished getting my nails done. We are about to go to Dollar Tree and maybe Target. 9 times out of 10, I might end up in Target. But we're gonna go to Dollar Tree and try to find some real cute decorations so that I can decorate my bathroom, my living room, and the kitchen. Y'all need to be prepared to go shopping, okay? Because I'm prepared and I'm excited. And once again, I am only like 4 minutes away. Which way should I go? I should go this way. Michael's was right there, but I'm trying to like decorate within a budget. I'm driving so slow, y'all, because how I have my phone propped up, I don't want it to slide. It better not slide either. I'm really trying to not spend so much money, y'all, for real. Like, well, Need to go to a house. What is this? See anything. I like these little games. These kind of small. Something for the kitchen, so this is perfect. I already know how many I get, so I'll just get 4. Just kitchen towel. And I don't really have like Christmas. Yeah, y'all, we're gonna have to go to Target. Comes with 2 of these. Yeah, unfortunately. Dollar Tree, yeah, Dollar Tree wasn't really hitting like that. I don't feel like all Dollar Trees are like that. I feel like some are like that. The guy who was at the register who cashed me out, he was on the phone talking about his music and how he probably not going to school and stuff. Like, sir, hello, sir, hi, how are you? Happy holidays. Like, he almost rung up somebody else's stuff with mine. Like, pay attention, sir. I'm on a budget here. I wonder if Five Below got some cute little Christmas decorations. Oh, whoa. They might. Alright. Five Below it is. Five Below it is.
I think you are set.
This good. Made me fat. Oh, look at all those $5 ones. I like this, but I don't know how to put this. But I might pop the freaking pillow. I need pillows. Oh, I got these other pillows too. I don't think they should play stuff like this outside though. But it's cute though. It's a bug. It's a bug in there. I like these. Alright, we're gonna go to Target. These pillows that I got were so freaking cute. I feel like I need like pillows. I don't really know the direction I'm really trying to go with like the decorations, but I'm about to just buy stuff and then we're gonna go from there. And then like whatever little leftover items I have, because then I was like, damn, should I go to Burlington or somewhere? Like the goal is to decorate for a good price. I'm not trying to spend like a whole bunch of money trying to decorate. Literally just I'm gonna be up for a month or so and then it's going into a tub until next year. Like Target got some good stuff. I should have came here first because these people be going crazy up in here. And I am those people, okay? So, I'm excited. We're at Tarrance. Mark my words, I'm going to work with Tarrance. I am going to work with them in a partnership. I am claiming that because I love Target. Target's bags in the back, Five Below and Dollar Tree. I'm trying to figure out where can I find cute red placements. I could go to Walmart. That's where I could go. I could go to Walmart. The last stop that we will go is Walmart. I need to get me something to eat first, so when Chipotle open up, I'm about to give me a little kids meal real fast. Give me a taco or something. My goal is to spend $30 at Walmart. I feel like that is really good to get all the stuff that I'm about to get and spend probably like $100. That is really, really good. So that's the goal. So that is the focus. All right. We made it to Walmart. I was so hungry, y'all. I had to eat my food at Chipotle. And I don't be sitting down like that by myself because I feel like it be weird people, you know, men, like trafficking. So we made it to Walmart. We are about to go in here. I need to see if I can find the little red placemats and I guess like some cheap or inexpensive plates. I think that's what I'm gonna try to go for. And then probably whatever little, decorations I can find because I still need to try to find something for the bathroom. So I hope y'all got y'all list because don't let me go up in here and I end up buying more stuff now because I'm gonna blame you. I ain't gonna blame myself. I found them. It's only $1. $2. How is it? 4 of them. That just made my day. This means I was supposed to shop today. Because if you said what you was looking for, doesn't right. Gotta go. Walmart took all my money. That little $30 budget I thought I was setting, actually not. But that's okay, because we about to decorate. And I'm about to use everything. I might even use the tags. Hell, I might use the receipts. I told y'all to make me have control. Nah, sat up here and freaking spent $100. But it's okay, because everything that I got was cute. And you know what they did? They did not put tags on them. So I was like, oh my god, this is cute. This must be $5. Go to the register, $15. So I can do $15. Everything else was $5, $1.98, $5, $11. So it's okay. Y'all have to stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all, check out my other videos. And I'ma see y'all later.